Welcome back to another video. So I had mentioned in my vlog that I had a client coming once I was finished doing the vlog, and this is that client. So I'm doing a fill on her. She's at 3 weeks. She's a hard gel nail client. I did a video on these if you want to see how I did the reindeer. I know it's not Christmas anymore, but they were really cute nails. So that card is in the top right hand corner if you want to see it. So I'm just removing color and checking for lifting with my coarse ceramic bit. So she wanted a little length taken off, so I'm doing that as well and doing a little bit of shaping at this point. So next I'm taking the round cuticle bit to go around her cuticles and remove it off her natural nail. So after doing her cuticles, I spray with nail prep to remove the dust and oils off the nail, getting them ready for my Young Nails Protein Balm, which just goes on the natural nail by the cuticle. And once it dries, I'm going to start applying my hard gels. And of course, you guys all know I use the Fusion line, so I'm applying the Fusion base, just a thin layer to her nails. And once I get it on every nail, I'll cure it for 60 seconds in my combination light. So once that base layer cures, I take my Fusion 2.5 builder and I do a thin slip layer over her nails. And then I grab some more of that 2.5 and I fill in her nails with that. So once I'm done applying the builder to each nail, she does stick her hand in the light for 3 seconds. And then I move on to the other hand and I just rotate it. I find this works best. Then your builder's not moving around and it sets it. And then once we get them all done, it will cure for 60 seconds. So once the builder is cured, I take some isopropyl alcohol to remove that inhibition layer from her nails. And now I'm just going to take my 180 grit file and finish file these nails. I'll also be using a buffing block to remove any scratches or indents in her nails, so it's a nice smooth surface for the gel polish application. So the first gel polish I'll be using on her nails is from Glam. It's called Love and Mercy. It's a really nice, kind of like grayish black glitter gel. It's really, really pretty. Hopefully the camera does it justice. Anyways, I'm going to apply 2 coats of it. Once I get the first one on, it covers really nice with that second coat. And of course, it cures for 30 seconds each coat. So the next polish I'm going to be using is from Daily Charme. It's the Perfect White, and it is a really nice opaque white. So I'll only need 2 coats on the nails that I'll be doing in the white, and I'll be doing 2 of the nails in this. So on the index finger, I'm now applying Daily Charme's Chrome Effect No Wipe Gel. And this gel is perfect for any pigments, any chrome powders. It just adheres really nice to it. So I'm going to apply it and we'll cure it for 60 seconds. And then I'll be using the Unichrome from Daily Charme. Absolutely love this. This stuff is amazing. It just goes on so nice. You'll see in the camera, it's just beautiful. So I'll just rub it in with a silicone tool, which I also received from Daily Charme. Rub it in really well and then use my finger just to clean it up a little bit more. And the next finger, I'm applying Madame Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat to this nail, and it's going to cure for 60 seconds. And I'm going to do a cable knit sweater nail on this nail, so I like it to be matted underneath before I do that. And this matte top coat cures for 60 seconds. So now I'm just using Daily Charme, the Perfect White, to draw the cable knit sweater nail. And sorry guys, the top of it, I was out of camera, but you will see me doing about halfway down in the rest of the nail. I just got to be a little more careful when filming that they don't have their hand too far back, but it's just drawing the design you want and not curing it. And when I'm finished drawing the whole design on the nail, then I take my clear acrylic powder and sprinkle it over top. And once I do that, it will cure for 60 seconds. So you probably can see under the nail on the left side, it's not completely a nice straight surface under there. Well, I'll just take a file and just lightly file that, and then it'll be nice and smooth once I'm done the nail. By doing this after, it's not wrecking the seal of the nail because I'm directly underneath it. I'm not on the side walls so much, it's just more underneath. Once the nail has been cured for 60 seconds, I just take a brush and remove any extra acrylic powder and the Unichrome that might be on these nails. And then I'm taking Daily Charms 5-in-1 gel because this is really, really good for covering up any chrome nails or any glitters or anything. It's a nice thick, kind of like a builder gel almost, and then these nails won't chip for her. And once I get that done on the nails that I want to cover up with it, it'll cure for 60 seconds. And then I'll be taking Daily Charms Diamond Shine and giving these nails a nice shiny top coat, and that'll cure for 60 seconds as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I love the Unichrome. It's so pretty, and I love doing the cable knit sweater nails. You can never go wrong with those. So thanks everybody for watching. It'd be great if you could like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.